watching Let's Chat.
Staying on top of your dental health and the dental health of your kids, especially during this quarantine, this pandemic, whatever you want to call it, is more important than ever. And there's a lot of things you can do at home to do just that. With Delta Dental of Tennessee, Missy Acosta is here. Missy Acosta, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
We are doing very well. Thank you so much. Let's start with breaking it down in little bits and pieces. Tell us a few of the things that we can do to stay on top of our dental health at home or at work.
Sure. Of course, the important thing is for 2 minutes twice a day, you should brush your teeth. You should also floss once a day. When we've changed our routines, however, a lot of times you fall out of that habit of brushing right before bed or brushing right after breakfast. So don't forget those routines that you normally follow. Same with your children. Sometimes they might need a prompting, remind them to brush their teeth. I have an 11-year-old, and every day I'm having to do that just to remind her, get in there and brush your teeth. And also, as I mentioned.
You must have read my mind. I was going to ask for those with children or grandchildren, what's something that we can do, not necessarily to just remind them to do it, but to make them want to get in and help take care of their dental health?
My favorite dental hygienist had a saying, you don't have to brush your teeth, just the ones you want to keep. So remind the children that, these are the teeth, they help you eat, they help you talk, and you want to take good care of them. Going into the bathroom and brushing your teeth together, that's a good thing to do.
Right.
Help them to see how you brush your teeth, and 2 minutes may seem like a lifetime for a kid. But just take your time and do it with them. Find a video that might be 2 minutes long and stick the phone in the bathroom and let them watch the video while they're brushing those teeth.
And for teenagers and for young adults, we can always explain to them, look, this is going to help give you a beautiful smile, and a beautiful smile will give you a lot more self-confidence.
Absolutely. Your self-confidence is so much, especially for teenagers. And nowadays, as we're all having to wear those masks, you don't want to smell bad breath yourself. So taking good care of your teeth will also help prevent that as well.
I think a lot of folks know the importance of going to our dentist at least twice a year for regular checkups and regular cleanings is important, but maybe you ought to give us another couple of reasons that don't immediately come to mind why that is so vital.
Well, a dentist may be your first line of defense for your overall health, not just your oral health. Dentists can help detect diabetes. The same plaque that builds up on your teeth is the same plaque that they'll talk about building up on your heart.
Right.
So a lot of times a dentist can start to see things manifesting in the mouth that may be impacting your overall health. And they might recommend that you go see your physician. But getting those oral checkups at least twice a year are very critical to good health.
If you haven't been to the dentist in the past 5 or 6 months since this pandemic broke out, what are some of the safety measures we can expect to see?
Like going into a lot of offices these days, your dental office is not going to be any different. They're going to want to do a temp check. They may call in advance and do some of the questions, seeing, do you have any symptoms of COVID?
Right.
Have you been around anyone with COVID? They want to protect their staff, but they also want to protect you.
Sure.
In a lot of dental offices, they've been using a lot of the PPE protocols for years. So, you may have already seen a dentist wearing a face shield, wearing the protective goggles, the N95 or the surgical masks. So a lot of that has already been happening. You might just see a little bit more of it. They may be wearing the gowns, either the disposable kind or cloth.
Tell us how we can get in touch with you and your great team at Delta Dental of Tennessee.
Well, we are a benefits provider. So if you are looking for dental benefits to help you pay for those dental visits, you can go to deltadentaltn.com and click on individual plans. If you have insurance or if you're looking for a dental office, just go online. You can
Right.
find a dental office going to our website as well
All right.
that can help take good care of you.
All right, Missy, we got to leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us. And again, as Missy said, don't forget, it's vitally important, not just to the health of your mouth, but to your overall body. DeltaDentalTN.com. That's DeltaDentalTN.com.